eBay has around 300 million users worldwide. It has a massive international reach, with buyers in 190 countries. On its side, eBay gives the following figures. It is active in 190 countries. It has 183 million active buyers, buying from 1.4 billion live listings. The eBay app has been downloaded 530 million times. They're pretty impressive numbers. From your eBay selling preferences, you can choose the eBay worldwide sites you want your products to be available on. So if we click on Edit, we can choose from up to 21 different major international marketplaces where your products will be listed. As well as having a massive number of users, eBay is really easy to use. Creating a listing does not require any technical expertise, and you effectively outsource the marketing of your products to eBay. The setup costs are also very low. There is no cost to setting up an eBay account, and the sales are generally on a commission-based model, meaning that if you don't sell anything, you don't pay. Unlike Amazon, it is possible to promote your brand on eBay. Sellers can brand their storefront and also create branded listings. Here is my eBay store. As you can see, it is branded Hello Baby. It's got a logo, a custom banner, and some information about us as a seller. If we go down and we click on a product, you'll see that we have created a branded HTML template which has our logo on it and also information about us as a seller. Each seller will also have a feedback profile where you can also have some more information about yourself as a seller and a logo. And if we click on the eBay name, we have our seller profile page, which again has information about us as a seller. In comparison to Amazon, this is a great amount of promotion of the brand. If you're looking to get extra traffic to your eBay listings, other than that which comes through the normal eBay search, you can use the eBay Promoted Listings campaigns. Promoted Listings is a simple system where the seller offers to pay an additional commission to get higher placements for their listings. Here we have a search for Sophie the Giraffe, which is a popular baby toy. And at the top here we have sponsored listings. These sellers, of which that is my business here, have offered to pay an additional commission of normally somewhere between 1 and 5% to get higher placement in the listings. And as you can see, they appear above ordinary listings. So it says sponsored the promoted listings, and these are the normal listings. This is a great way of getting exposure for new brands. If you're a company that is already selling on other channels, for example your own website or Amazon, selling on eBay will bring you new customers and help diversify your sales. So for example, if you fall foul of Amazon and you have your account banned, you will not be so entirely dependent on one channel. eBay offers a broader range of selling types than other channels and can be used to sell a broader range of items. Items on eBay can be sold as auction or buy it now. eBay is really the only place where you can sell items at auction online. Auctions are great for things which you want to get rid of quickly or are unique items and you're not sure of what the price is. Buy it now is better for items where the price is known and people want to make a quick purchase. eBay can be used for new or distressed stock, so things like open box returns or damaged items can be easily liquidated on eBay. Finally, with over 15,000 categories, just about anything can be sold on eBay. In summary, eBay is a great place for entrepreneurs to diversify their sales and find new customers.